just hanging out with this dude or what? And he's just chilling. Chilling. Alrighty, everybody. Welcome to my wonderful adventures of trying to catch a bird who just so happened to get through into my house in a heating vent outside. And now he's acting like he's a resident here, and I can't get him out. So this is gonna be a fun adventure of me and, you know, Mr. European Starling over here. He's pretty cute, but he does not want to get out of my house. See him? Yeah, he doesn't want to leave, guys, and I don't know what to do right now. Update. He is hiding on my air fryer now. What you doing, bud? Hey, buddy. You gonna let me get you now or no? Hey, bud. I don't mean no harm, pal. You're pretty. Look at my little fella. He's cute, but dang it, I gotta get him. You the shamrock, pal? You the lucky shamrock? Yeah? Well, I think your luck's about to run out, because I'm getting you. One successful bird catch later. What's up, buddy? You ready to go back outside and enjoy your life out there? Alright, let's get the bird back outside, everybody. Here, Mr. Buddy. Yes, okay, bud. Hey, bud. Are you thirsty or are you hungry? What do you want? Alrighty, we're taking the bird back to nature. Here we go, everybody. We're gonna get this bird out of here. See how this goes. Oh, he's ready to go. Say goodbye to Skeeter. Here, Skeeter. Let's see him get on out. Come on, bud. Come on, buddy. You need it out. Come on. I know you can. Come on. Come on, buddy.